Hello, welcome to our Knowledge and Research channel. In this video, I would like to review the iOS 16 for iPhone. Apple has released iOS 16 for iPhone, which includes several new features and enhancements. The lock screen has been reimagined with options for customizing it, including a gallery of suggested images, the ability to switch the lock screen throughout the day, and various stylized date and time options. Users can also customize widgets displayed on the lock screen and view notifications in different ways. Additionally, new options for setting up focus modes allow users to filter notifications and apps based on their needs and location, as well as share photo libraries with other users via the iCloud shared photo library. Other features include passkeys for secure sign-ins, smarter dictation with automatic punctuation, multi-stop routing in Maps, Matter compatibility for smart home accessories, and enhanced privacy and security with faster response times. The update also includes improvements to reminders, notes, and Memoji customization options. The iPhone 16 does not exist yet, but Apple has released iOS 16 for the iPhone. This update brings various new features and enhancements to the device. Some of the key features of iOS 16 include a redesigned lock screen, customizable widgets, and improved privacy and security. Another notable feature is passkeys, which allows users to authenticate with websites and apps using Face ID or Touch ID without revealing their actual passwords. Additionally, iOS 16 includes smarter dictation, multi-stop routing in Maps, and Matter compatibility for smart home accessories. These features enhance the user experience and make the iPhone more functional and secure. Thank you for watching and see you next videos with our Knowledge and Research channel.